Figma offers browser-based collaboration, allowing teams to work together much like Google Docs. In the application, users' avatars appear at the top, showing who is viewing and editing the file. Each person is assigned a named cursor, making it simple to track individual contributions. Clicking on someone's avatar instantly focuses on what they are currently viewing. Real-time collaboration in Figma helps prevent design drifting, which occurs when there is a misunderstanding or deviation from an established design during a project's development. This often happens when an idea is conceived and implemented swiftly while the project is in progress, leading to deviations from the original design and potential friction and rework. Figma is compatible with any operating system that supports a web browser, including Macs, Windows, PCs, Linux machines, and even Chromebooks. It's the only design tool that offers this level of cross-platform functionality, enabling teams with diverse hardware setups to seamlessly share, open, and edit Figma files. Figma and FigJam are versatile design and collaboration tools utilized by professionals across various fields, including designers, engineers, and creators. They can be used for ideation, creation, and sharing of work, and are available for free to students and teachers. FigJam serves as an online whiteboard, facilitating collaborative group learning and encouraging active student participation. It's particularly well suited for classroom discussions, brainstorming sessions, and group projects. On the other hand, Figma is a multiplayer design tool renowned for its user-friendliness, allowing professionals to create graphics, presentations, prototypes, and more. It offers real-time collaboration and feedback features. Figma and FigJam coexist seamlessly, empowering students to transform their ideas into reality more efficiently.